Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for Boxycharm. I'm super excited about this box. I really like all the products. Of course, I had to look at it because I received my box last week on Friday and I couldn't just have it there without opening it. But so I saw all the products and I'm super excited to actually be using all these products. I have not used them at all, so I don't know how they're going to perform, but I'm very excited to be using all these products today. So just in case you do not know what Boxycharm is a subscription where you pay $21 and you get about 4 to 5 full-size products, either skincare or makeup products, and you get to try them. And yeah, sometimes are known brands or sometimes they're actually new brands to me. So if you are interested in seeing all these products being used today, please keep on watching. So the first thing that I see is the card, and this one says Rock 2018, and it gives you all the information of all the products and how much they're actually worth. So let's go ahead and dig in. The first product that I'm going to be using today is this one from XOXO, and this one is the Brow Power. Now I've never actually used any brow products from XOXO, so I'm very excited. This one is in a universal brow pencil, so it should be good for a lot of people, so it will like adjust to your skin tone, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and open that. So after prepping my skin, I usually do my brows, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So the tip, it's an oval shape. I do not know how it's going to work out, but let's go ahead and try it. So the first thing that I do, I comb my brows. That is the first thing that I do, and then I start creating the outer tail of my brows. All right, so that's the first brow. I brought you in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. So I start on the outer corner again. Okay, so now that the brows are done, I want to let you know that this little brow pencil by XOXO cost $24. Okay, so the next product, I'm going to be using this one by Dr. Brent, and this one is a luminizer primer. I usually don't like luminizer primers just because I tend to go for pore minimizer primers, but let's try it. The luminizer primer is $38. Okay, so I went ahead and primed my eyes with a little concealer. Now we're going to be using the palette that comes inside the box, and this one is the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. So let me show you how it looks inside. It comes with a little plastic to protect the eyeshadows. It has a little guitar mirror, which is like super little, and these are all the shades. And because it is a metal palette, it doesn't have any mattes or anything like that, so I'm going to be using a different palette in conjunction with this palette to create a look. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek eyeshadows to help me with this look, and I'm going to be using a fluffy brush. This one is the Morphe R37. I'm going to dig into the first shade right here. I'm just going to pop this on my brow bone a little bit, not too much and not going too far on the lid. So using Beaches and Cream as well as Peach Smoothie, I'm going to, with the same brush, I'm just going to grab both of them, and I'm going to start working with those two colors. I'm going to start working it on my upper crease. I placed the primer already on my face, and I'm just moved on to eyes, and usually I like to do that as well, not go straight to the foundation. Let the primer actually work into my skin and settle into my skin a little bit better before going in with foundation. Okay, with the same brush, I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here, which is Frappe, and I'm going to put that on my crease. And I'm building this color to the intensity that I like. And I am standing it out a little bit. So I raised my brows a little bit just so it can get into all the little spaces. Make sure it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to be using Cocoa Bear, and I'm going to grab a smaller blending brush, and this one is the M441. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner. Let's see, let's swatch a little bit. Okay, so you can see these are some of the colors right here. These are the colors. So I'm going to grab this color right here with the MAC 239 brush, and I'm just going to pop that from the middle of my lid, going towards the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to flip the brush, and I'm going to pick up this color right here, which is like a greenish, like olivey golden shade. And I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. This is called Rock On. And I'm just going back and forth with those two colors and trying to blend them together. So using the Morphe E17 brush, I'm going to be taking that into Americano, and I'm going to pop that in the outer part of my eye, just to deepen it up a little bit more. Okay, and going back with your blending brush, you're just going to blend the edges. So I'm going to clean up the fallout, and I'm going to just curl my lashes and put some mascara on. No false lashes for me today. I'm sorry. Just not in the mood. Sorry. So I'm going to finish with my face, and I'll be right back to finish up the eyes with you. So just to let you know, this palette right here does have all these middle shades except this one, which is called Black Middle, is a matte black. I do not want to make this look too smoky, so I'm not going to be using that one, but I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Punk, and I'm going to grab this in a pencil brush. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to place that right on my lower lash. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean up this brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is the Wicked color, with the same pencil brush, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lower lash. And I'm just going to bring it and meet with the silver shade. And I'm going to coat my lower lashes. So because I got some mascara on my skin, on my lower lash, I'm just going to let that dry, and then I'll just flick it with a Q-tip. So, but now I'm going to move on to a bronzer that comes in the palette, and this one is by Pure Bronzer and Brightening. So this is a really, it looks so pretty. So this is what the shades look like right here. The bronzer, whoa, that's really metallic. Oh no. That is what the bronzer looks like. I'm gonna try it for the sake of the video, but I don't usually like shades like this to bronze my face. I feel like it's too, I don't know, like too shimmery. Even though it doesn't have glitter, it's like too much. Let's try. I'm so scared. Bronze my face. What? No. I'm going to grab my beauty blender. I'm going to try to see if I can just blend this into the skin. Alright, so that was the bronzer complete disaster. It's like all patchy now. Ugh. Alright, so that's it for the bronzer. Definitely not a bronzer that I will ever use. Ever. So now I'm going to grab the highlighter right here, which is so pretty and super buttery. As you can see, put it on the highest point of my cheeks. Let me bring you, there you go. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. My nose, cupid's bow, that's beautiful. That's really pretty. Now I'm going to be moving on to blush, and I'm going to, they're very pigmented, so I'm just going to dab a little bit. I'm just going to tap the excess, and I'm going to focus that on the apples of my cheeks and bringing it backwards. Yeah, that's really, really, really nice. I like the highlighter and the blush for sure on this palette, and I didn't tell you the rest of the stuff that I use, the prices. So this palette costs $34, and the Glam Metals palette costs $25. So the last product that I'm going to be using is this one right here from Galactic, and this is a matte lip paint, and this retails for $23. I have the shade Demure. I actually have 4 shades that I love so very much, and I'm so happy that it's not Demure. As you can see, it is a full-size product compared to my other ones. It is the same size, so I'm super excited. I'm not going to use any lip liner or anything, so let's just go for it. And these are very, very comfortable to the lip. I like the applicator as well. Yeah, that is it for the look. I hope that you enjoy this look and that you get some inspiration on how to use your palette. Remember that this palette, because it has all the metals, you're going to have to use a matte palette along with it. Any matte shades that you have in your collection will work with this palette. Also, the Trio, the Pure palette that has the bronzer inside, definitely not my favorite. I can pass on this whole shade right here. I love the highlighting, and the blush on this palette are beautiful, super, super nice. It makes your skin look very, very nice and glowy. So I do like that a lot. I really enjoy this one. It doesn't feel like it's too like slippery. It's not greasy or anything like that, so I am very, very happy that I've received this. The lip paint, it is definitely a favorite. I love Galactic lip paints. They're really, really nice. You know, $23, like pretty much this lipstick right here paid for your whole box. Like, it's $21 a month. You can't complain. This month killed it. I love it. I'm very, very happy with all the products that I received. And of course, the brow pencil, this one is working out for me. If you haven't seen my previous Boxycharm box, I will link it somewhere up here. I give you a little bit more of an insight of how long I have been with Boxycharm and why I canceled it and all of that. So yes, but this month I really liked it. We'll see what we get next month, and I hope it's as good as this month. So if you got to the end of the video and you did not click off, thank you so very much. I really, really appreciate it. This helps me out, and if you can put like a little peach emoji just so I know that you got to the end of the video with me, that'll be awesome. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.